Hey, what's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video, and today's video will be epic because I'm right here filming a real FPV race. This event was a two-day race held in my hometown Varna in Bulgaria, and around 20 of the country's best pilots came to race here and show off their skills at the track. There were plans for a lot more foreign pilots to join the race as well, but because of complications due to COVID-19, they couldn't join us this year. However, the great thing about the race is that it was open to everyone, so even pilots with limited or even no racing experience at all were able to compete and get a little taste of what FPV racing feels like. The racing track was designed so it can be both technical and quick, with sharp turns and lots of obstacles. The main format of the race was time attack, where two pilots compete against each other to set the fastest lap out of 3. We definitely saw some amazingly quick times as well as some really close battles between the pilots. After each heat, the pilots had time for fixes and repairs on their quads, as there were numerous spectacular crashes resulting in broken arms, burnt motors or incinerated VTXs. During some of the breaks, we saw some RC cars on the track for entertaining not only the public but ourselves as well, and all in all, the RC community in Bulgaria definitely came together for making this event happen. Here's where I want to give my special thanks to the organizers and all the sponsors who made this event possible, providing gear, refreshments, live coverage, prizes for the winners, and a lot more so that the event can really come to life. But enough talking, I think the event really speaks for itself, so I'm leaving you with some of the best shots from the 2 days of the 2020 Varna MultiGP FPV race. I hope you guys enjoy.